Get out of the car, so I'm going to break that window.
You're not going to break the window.
Get out of the vehicle right now.
This officer just hit the damn front of the vehicle.
Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the Get out! Right, get the out of my fucking car! Get out of the
The incident began as a routine traffic stop in Camden County, Georgia, on January 16, 2022, when Deputy Christine Newman pulled over Sheriff Faria for failing to fully stop at a sign. Under U.S. Supreme Court precedent in Pennsylvania versus Mims, 1977, officers may lawfully order a driver to exit the vehicle during a traffic stop for officer safety reasons with minimal additional intrusion. Deputy Newman requested Faria step out after learning her license was suspended, but Faria refused repeatedly, locked her doors, and escalated by calling her father on FaceTime. This non-compliance led Newman to threaten to break the window and eventually use force to remove Faria, resulting in her being taken to the ground where she struck her head. The refusal to exit, despite the lawful order, formed the basis for the initial obstruction charge against Faria.
I'll be at the Shell station.
Hello. Hey. Does that roll down? It's dark. Alright. You got your driver's license? Alright, the reason why I pulled you over is you didn't stop at every stop sign. She was shocked as to why she got pulled over.
She was?
She didn't even see that that was a stop sign, apparently. She's like, Hey, Dawn! Miss Dawn! Hey! Well, step out here for me. Because I want you to. Because I'm going to talk to you.
I can't touch you right now.
No, I want you to step out.
I'd like to leave the vehicle if there's a reason why.
Yeah, I want you to step out.
But there's not a reason for me to
Because
step
I
out of the
told you
vehicle.
to step out, okay? So let's not, I want you to step out because I need you to step out, okay?
I need to have a reason.
You don't have to. Where is it stating that you have to have a
back over here,
yeah,
please?
come on. Get out. Get out of the car. 11:59 Cameron, I need another unit.
40 you en route.
Get out of the vehicle. I will break this window.
You need them 1018.
She won't get out of the car. Get out of the car, so I'm going to break that window.
You're not going to break the window.
18 Cam and I'm mobile. I'll be to her in 30 seconds.
Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the vehicle right now. Oh my God.
7-1 by 6-delay.
Listen to me. I really don't want to break your window. I really don't. But when I tell you to get out of the vehicle, you are to get out of the vehicle. So get out of the vehicle.
1118 is 23.
Are you kidding me? Get out of the vehicle right now.
This officer just hit the damn front of the vehicle.
Get out of the vehicle. Get out of the Get out! Right, get the out of my fucking car. Get out of the car. Get out! Are you kidding me? Get out!
Taser, taser, taser!
Get out!
Roll over now!
Get out! Dad! Put on stop! I got him and fell.
Yeah.
Oh my God! They're gone. No, she.
You take her.
You
Stop.
just got here.
I know, and that's why I'm gonna figure it out, and then I'll talk to you.
She threw me
Stop.
on the damn floor.
Okay.
I'm
Stop.
happy that you got me. Relax.
Okay.
I'm calm.
All right.
I'm calm. She threw me on the floor.
Calm
I just
down.
need somebody that's not her.
All right. I got you now. Sit down.
All right.
Put your feet in. Watch your head.
Can I get this?
Watch your head.
Can I get with this? Hold on. Just get my arm off. I can't get my.
1095. Needs your point. Supervisor here. Party and Ralph.
This one's got me all.
The more 18, y'all need a squad.
All right.
Not yet.
You hurt?
I'm not sure yet.
Are you sure? Anything hurt you? You want medical attention?
My
on
face hurts when it kind of hit the
front of the vehicle?
ground and then the front of the vehicle.
Okay. I'm gonna call you a squad. Okay. Pain in the face. All right. You got an ambulance on the way for you. Okay. You good?
Yes.
I was coming.
I know. I didn't know where they came from. Honestly, she would not get out of the car.
You do what you got to do, okay? She was non-compliant. You did what you had to do to get in.
Deputy Newman's use of force during the extraction crossed into excessive territory when she slammed Faria against the vehicle and ground, causing injury. Georgia law defines aggravated assault under OCGA section 16521 as an assault committed with intent to murder, rape, or rob, or with a deadly weapon, or which places another in reasonable apprehension of immediately receiving a serious bodily injury. The grand jury indicted Newman on aggravated assault after reviewing footage showing the force was disproportionate to the resistance. Body and dashcam evidence revealed no justification for the level of physical handling that injured Faria's face and head. This misconduct highlighted how a bad cop's overreaction turned a minor stop into serious criminal liability.
I'll forget her when she was in cuffs.
Was she still resisting you in cuffs?
She kept saying for me to get away from her and stop. Yes, to me she was.
Okay. Well, I mean, you can tase somebody in handcuffs if they're still
I didn't
resisting.
tase her. I went hands on her, and I kept saying, I don't want to break your window. But come on, I don't understand this. I don't want to break your window. I didn't break it.
My camera's still hot.
No, I could have.
You don't have to say anything, okay? Wait till Todd gets here, alright? Talk to him, see what he says, alright? You didn't see anything in the vehicle or anything, right? Okay.
Nothing.
I don't understand if it's just spitting glasses or something.
She didn't even know that yet. I hadn't even had a chance to tell her.
I'm thinking there might be something else.
I just asked her to step out because I just wanted to talk to her. And she said there's no reason to. I said, yeah, I just want you to step out. And she said no. She hurt.
She's saying she don't know. She thinks she might have hurt her face when she threw the ground or she hit the car. But she's not even saying if she's for sure hurt or not. So.
Things okay now, I'm here?
Yeah.
Everything good? Nice mustache, bro, there whistling at you. How you doing, baby?
You want to talk to her? She was refusing to get out of the car or whatever, and I guess Christy had hands on her. She ended up on the ground, hit her head on the concrete. Also hit her head on the front of the push bar, so she might have some head injury.
How you doing, ma'am? My name's JD. Are you hurt anywhere?
It must be my day.
What happened?
So I pulled her over for running at a stop sign. She rolls down the front window. She would only roll down the window just a little bit in the back, but I could see in there. And I had seen her front way, so I knew that there was only one person in it. I go up and said, "Hey, you got your driver's license?" And she handed me it. And I said, "Okay, the reason why I pulled you over," and because she didn't ask me, I said, "The reason why I pulled you over is that stop sign." She kind of looked at me. I said, "Yeah, usually it yields." She says, "I walked back here. I've got this just suspended." And I was like, "Yeah, it's on judgment. What is it for?" Da 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 da. Well, I like to get them out of the car to talk to them about it. So her windows rolled down a little bit like that.
She by herself?
Mm-hmm. And I said, "Hey," I called her by her first name because I couldn't pronounce her last name. She ignored me, so I walked up there and I said, "Hey, go ahead and step out for me." She said, "Why?" I said, "Because I want you to. I'm going to talk to you a minute." "Why?" "I'm not going to." So she said, "I want to sit here." I said, "No, ma'am, I want you to step outside." But she's suspended. She's not supposed to be in her anyways, right? So I just want her to step out here. And she said no. She rolled up all the windows and locked them. I finally got in the back and I said, please don't make me bust your window out. I don't want to have to do that, Jay. It's not that crucial. Please. He comes. She unlocked the door, got on a FaceTime with her dad, and he comes over. He says, "Taser, taser." I back up. Then I start grabbing her out. You know, like she's holding on to the.
Okay.
And I mean, I could have, but I just wanted to get her out of the car. I just don't like to think about that first. So I get her to the ground and I break her and I take her to the ground. We're trying to get her cuffs and taser again. She's screaming and I get up. I grab her. She said, "You weren't grabbing me like that." So I get her up. I told her to get up. So she kept like, "Away from me." So I grabbed her and did this, and she hit her head on the front. I mean, she just wouldn't stop. And so he told me, "Christine, calm down, get away, go sit in your car because I'm shaking." She just wouldn't get out. No, I'm just shaking up.
Let me talk to her. Ma'am. So she ran your license, it came back suspended, alright? There's a no judgment suspension, so it's usually like child support.
It's a bill of sale for a car that I sold in the
Okay, so it's
a bill of sale.
It's usually nothing that we really care about that much. So she was asking you to get out of the vehicle, so you explained to you can't drive, and you refused to get out of the vehicle. So she was, instead of taking you to jail for suspended license, she was actually just going to give you a citation for wherever her original stop was and let you go. But then you refused to get out of the vehicle.
All I wanted was for her to give me an information on why I need to get out of the vehicle.
But she doesn't owe you that explanation.
When she stopped me, she originally said the reason I stopped you was because of the stop sign back there. And I said, okay. So that when
we tell someone to get out of the car, we don't have to give them a reason right then and there.
We don't want to tell you, oh, we're going to have you get out of the car because we see a gun right there.
Or, hey.
Separate you from and then obviously you reach out
for the gun. It was not a hostile situation.
Well, she doesn't know that. How is she supposed to know that?
Or like saying, hey, you know, you got like several felony warrants for murder. I'm not going to tell you, hey, get out of the car, you got warrants for murder.
The aftermath exposed Newman's dishonesty in her official report, claiming Faria resisted by jerking away, which video contradicted. Georgia law under OCGA section 16-10-1 states that any public officer who willfully and intentionally violates the terms of his oath as prescribed by law shall, upon conviction thereof, be punished by imprisonment for not less than 1 nor more than 5 years. Following the traffic stop on January 16, 2022, Sheriff Faria faced 4 misdemeanor charges: failure to obey a stop sign, the original reason for the pullover, window tint violation, driving with a suspended license, and misdemeanor obstruction of a law enforcement officer. After a grand jury review of the body cam and dash cam footage, Deputy Christine Newman was indicted on January 11, 2023. She faced a total of 6 criminal charges: 1 count of aggravated assault, 1 count of simple battery, 1 count of making a false statement, because her official report claimed resistance that the video clearly contradicted, and 3 counts of violation of oath by public officer. Newman was fired by the Camden County Sheriff's Office on January 12, 2023, and arrested with a $10,000 bond. This case exemplifies when a bad cop gets fired and faces justice for abusing authority and lying under oath. Like and subscribe for more police cam stories. Watch the next recommended video click to watch now.